You you found me on a miserable bloody day. It was meant to be alright this morning. But no, decided to absolutely lash it down just on the day that I need to go. So, yeah. Currently getting battered by the wind, peed down by the rain. So I'm off up to Preston Way. I've had a suspension tuning booked in with TW Suspension with Tute for ages now, and it got put back because I was ill, and got put back because of the lockdown. And finally today's the day, and my pin lock is fogging up to shit. So you know, I'm not too happy with this shark helmet. It's proven to be a bit of an arsehole. It's very, very windy in terms of the noise. The noise is ridiculous from it. And the fogging properties, not particularly great, to be honest. And you can't turn the pins either to change the tension on the lens, which is a massive arse. So you know, it's just one of them. It's just a horrible day. Really not a nice day at all. So this is the intro, making my way up to the M6. Well, hopefully this pin lock will fucking calm down a bit. Very, very cold. It's 2 degrees. And at times like this I wish I had some bloody hand warmers, to be honest. But yeah, pin lock, I can't really see much out of it. Nice full tank of fucking hell, I can't get my bloody words out. Nice full tank of petrol. So basically it's just a stint up the M6 for an hour, which isn't the most scenic of views, but oh come on mate, you could at least indicate. But this side of the pin lock is really fogging up quite bad. I've been to that cafe a few times actually, it's very nice. So yeah, I shall report in very soon. This is the nicest views you're gonna get for the entire journey, so I thought I'd do a little bit of recording here first before we got onto the motorway, because the motorways are boring, aren't they? So you know. Right, I shall catch you soon.
And none of us ever saw that wave till we're crashing down its throat. And now we're kicking, freezing at the mercy of...
Hopefully the motorway's not too busy today.
Suddenly there's a stillness, and finally we breathe with 4 boys lost. 4 boys lost at sea, 4 boys lost. 4 boys lost.
Continue on M56 for 2 miles.
God, the wind's turbulent on this thing, good God. Right, so I doubt you can even hear me at the minute, so this is going to be me for the next, you know, while. So I'm just going to tuck in and just get on with it. But the wind is ridiculous in this helmet. And I think it has something to do with this really bad screen they decided to put up. I can't hear a bloody thing. I should have put my earphones in. Why is this guy slowing down? He's just being a slow bastard, isn't he?
Junction 9. Use the left lane to take the M6 exit to Preston, please.
Right, well,
use the left lane to exit at junction 9, then keep left at
this it's actually very helpful, this you know. I'm very glad I bought it now, but I can't see a damn thing.
keep left at the fork.
Keep left at the fork off. There we go. Right, so this is right then. Oh come on, Mr. fucking BMW knob end.
Continue on M6 for 36 miles.
Well, that's the transition of that over. Thank the Lord. Get past all this shitty traffic. Oh God! Fucking Arctic vans, man. Just so bloody turbulent. Not very aerodynamically clean, are they? The screen is absolute shite on this bike. It's not very nice at all. Right, well I'm going to clock off now anyway. I'll come back when I'm nearer to the place, but I've got got a few miles to go yet, so I'll see you soon. God, the noise! If I took down right to the point that I can't see, then yeah. Whoa! Very snowy up that end. I don't know what that island is over there, that mountain, but it is snowed under. My hands are spasming because of the way my hands have been positioned.
One eternity later.
Oh, right. Well, that was tumultuous at the best. That was awful, man. That was the most miserable, bloody ride. Okay, I was meant to turn right there. Oops. Oh well, I don't have a clue where I'm going now. Oh, my arse, my knees. It's so bloody cold on that motorway. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Oh, bloody hell. What the f... Let's go back.
West on Conway Drive towards Menai Drive.
Alright, calm down. It smells like shit round here. I don't know where well, I kind of know where I am. When I say kind of, I mean not at all. So on the A6 now, right. Shit's a brick. But man, that motorway run, Jesus Christ. A was fantastically cold. B, what is this person fucking doing? It's fantastically cold. This helmet is awful. I hate this helmet for motorway stuff. You'd think it'd be quiet, but no, it is so fucking loud. I'm deaf from it. It was just not nice. And the air pressure as well. The pressure in my ears whilst the noise just... It's like if you have the car window open at the back and you're going dead fast in a car. That was miserable. The views up here are nice enough, but you don't really get to see them on a bike because you're too busy trying to concentrate on who's trying to kill you all the time. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Right, I'm going to find this place because I don't think the battery's going to last much longer on this thing. So I'm just going to, ponder about like a twat for a bit and then you'll find me later. So I'm somewhere near now. Yeah. I'd be interested to know where the archery shop is because there's an archery shop up in Preston, which is an arse to get to half the time, but it'd be nice to have a nice little trip in there actually. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. I'm getting my initial setup done today, which includes,
Turn left onto Duke's Meadow, then turn right to stay on Duke's Meadow.
Alright, love. Which basically consists of just a basic everyday setup for your weight, sag, all that kind of stuff. But as the temperatures change...
Turn right to stay on Duke's Meadow, then turn left to stay on Duke's Meadow. Turn left to stay on Duke's Meadow, then your destination will be on the right.
So yeah, I think. So I'll just park up here. And this is it. Oh dear. Right, are you sure this is it? Because that's his van. I'm not sure if I'm in the particularly correct place here, because this isn't like a warehouse, but I'll go and have a knock and see.